Children and animals. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a dog-proof garden bed. Hi, my name is Jackie, and I'm really glad that you're here. So, this unwilling star of the show is Boadi, and she's 13 years old, and she still digs holes in my garden. I cannot work out a way to stop a dog from digging a hole other than exclusion. It is the main reason that you see the fence along the back here. My whole actual veggie garden is completely fenced off in order to keep Boadi out. I have two beds over here that I really want to get some things going in there. They've been completely obliterated by Boadi time and time again. So I am doing something about it today. Let's get into it. The plan is that I have these little whippy ends of bamboo. My mother-in-law has quite a lot of bamboo, and so I periodically go and see her and get a whole heap of them. So I'm going to use these to make an arched shape frame over the top of the garden bed. And then in order to actually keep Boadi from going in the bed, I'm going to attach some more bamboo lengths to the length of the bed. So let me show you the garden beds in question. So I've spent the morning reconditioning these beds. That's why those plants look a bit worse for wear, because I took them out in order to put some more soil in, because as I say, they've been completely obliterated by Boadi digging holes. I took those plants out, put some more soil in, tried to give them a bit more nutrients. And so now the last step is to make it Boadi proof. Okay, so I'm basically just going to try and push it in directly into the bed. I'm just having to loosen up this soil because the bamboo isn't staying stuck. Okay, so what I'm hoping is that having the other pieces of bamboo going acrossways is actually going to help them stay in the ground. I'm hoping. Let's see. Okay, so that's our first one. I was envisaging it looking slightly more aesthetically pleasing. However, the main purpose is to keep Boadi out, keep the dog out. So I think it's going to do that. I'm going to do the other side, but I'm going to try a slightly different method. So let's see how that one goes. I thought that was going to go better than it did. It didn't end up any more aesthetically pleasing than the other one. And we may have even had to use more ties than on the other side. Probably used about the same amount of bamboo. But, I mean, it's really just, the problem at the moment is I can't even get anything started. I can't get anything established in those beds because as soon as I put something in there, Boadi goes and digs it up. She tries to bury a bone or something. And so this obviously isn't going to keep out a small dog. But I think, and they're not designed, it's simply just keep adding bamboo until you think the dog can't get in. And I mean, Boadi is 13. Although she digs holes, she's kind of lazy. So I'm reasonably comfortable that she's not going to get into these garden beds. But yeah, it is just a matter of keeping on adding bamboo until you get things to a size where your dog won't get in. Something you could do, I think, if you had a smaller dog, you could build a frame like this, probably not having to use as much bamboo, and actually lay some netting around it or sort of over the top of it. So for a smaller dog, that would actually work. But the problem with netting when you haven't got something like this is that the dog just pushes it over or pushes up under it or whatever, because we have tried that in the past with Boadi. So, but with something like this, she's not able to actually push through it, and so it will actually keep her out. So there's how we dog-proofed a couple of beds in our garden. I hope you got some value out of this video, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.